Hi friends, in this video we intend to continue to the second stage, which includes the verification part. In this section, you can verify your account in 4 ways. Through ID card, passport, driver's license, or government documents. We're choosing the ID card. You enter your ID card number in this section. And in the next section, you take a photo of the front of your ID card and upload it here. And then you take a photo of the back of your ID card and upload that as well. After entering your information, click Continue. In the next step, you enter your trading information, such as your platform and login information, leverage and remarks. Enter info, click Submit. Your account is created. Documents under review. Once approved, you'll get an email with account info. After approval with AUS Global, you'll get an email with account details. Copy info, go to login, enter code, sign in, enter dashboard, enter signature for confirmation. Click, go to signature, use mouse to enter signature, click Submit, enter signature, verification complete. Friends, after your account is approved with AUS Global Broker, an email will be sent to you containing your account information. After copying the information, you go to the login section, enter the code, and click on Sign In. You enter your account dashboard and you need to enter your signature in this section for confirmation. You click on Go to Signature, and here you use your mouse to enter your signature, then click on Submit. After entering your signature, you will access your account and your account will be approved. Good luck. Your signature will be saved and you'll access your account. Your account is approved. Good luck.